Before I start this video, I want to ask you to support me by subscribing to my channel. And please like this video if you find it helpful. And of course, if you have some questions or suggestions, welcome to the comments. And we jump right in. Actually, in this part of the video, I forgot to mention how to include JS in your Twig template. Therefore, I am making a small insert from a video about CSS with a reminder of how to do it. But then we will attend directly to working with JS. Now we can include our final JS and CSS files using the asset function in the Twig template. It will look like this. You should not render script and link tags by hand when you use Anchor with Symfony. We will use some helper function from Webpack Anchor bundle. In fact, in your base template, these functions already exist after installing the Twig bundle. For the style sheets, use this function, Anchor entry link tags, and up passed here because it's the name of the entry. For the scripts, uses this function, Anchor entry script tags. And what about JS? Let's try to import a JS file that will be executed on all pages of the site. For this, first I'll create a JS file that exports a function. Actually, it's called JS module, and now we need to require it in app.js. In this case, that JS extension is optional. You can type it or skip it. It doesn't matter. Webpack knows what you mean. Let's try how our code works. Also, we can use the other way how to export and import values from a JS file. I'll show it. This code will do the same as previous one. So, which approach should you use? Use this syntax. The require function came from Node, but the export and import syntax are the official way to do model loading in ECMAScript. And now let's restrict the execution of the script. I want it to be executable on one page only. In this case, we will do the same as with the form CSS file in the previous example. Okay, everything works as expected. And for today it's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and see you next time.